welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the JEANVICTORM MASHUP TikTok trend, which is a really cool trend and it's also very popular. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's get started. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's go. So the very first thing we're going to do is a whoa, and then we're going to clap. So whoa, clap, and then we're gonna put our hands to our mouth and we're gonna do a wave like this. So from the side it's gonna look like this. Wave, right? So let's start from the very beginning. Whoa, clap, wave. Okay, so after we do the wave, we're gonna pop and then pop again. And then we're gonna wipe, so wipe our face like this. And then we're gonna whoa again. And then we're gonna pretend we're driving and clap. So let's do it from the very beginning again so that we remember everything. It's gonna be slow. So remember all the moves. Are you ready? Whoa, clap, wave, pop, pop, wipe, whoa, drive, clap. So after we clap, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go 1, 2. So there are different ways to do this, but I prefer to do it like this. So circle, circle, and then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. So bounce, bounce, bounce. So basically our right hand looks like this, and our left one is just below it. It goes like that. So three times. 1, 2, 3. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Okay, so let's do it from the very beginning slow again so that we remember everything and we will move on. Let's go. Whoa, clap, wave, pop, pop, wipe, whoa, drive, clap, circle, circle, bounce, bounce, bounce. Okay, so after we do the 3 bounces, we're gonna go 1, 2, like that. So we're gonna swing, swing. It doesn't matter where your hands are. While you swing, you can do it like this. You can do it like this or behind you, however you like it more. So swing, swing, and then what we're gonna do is show like it says diamond, so we're just gonna show like a diamond with our hand, and then we're gonna point upwards with our index fingers, upwards. So let's do it from the very beginning. Whoa, clap, wave, pop, pop, wipe, whoa, drive, clap, circle, circle, bounce, 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 swing, swing, diamond, point. Okay, so after we point, there are only 3 moves which are very easy. So after we do this, we're gonna hear when I do it, so don't worry. We're gonna do like a stop sign, and then we're gonna whoa and cross our arms like this. That's it, that's the whole dance. So let's do it from the beginning twice. Once slow so that we remember everything, and then we're gonna do it a little bit faster, and that's it. So let's go. Whoa, clap, wave, pop, pop, wipe, whoa, drive, clap, circle, circle, bounce, 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 slide, slide, diamond, point, hold, stop, and then whoa, cross. And now we're gonna do the same thing but faster. So let's go. Whoa, clap, wave, pop, pop, wipe, whoa, drive, clap, circle, circle, bounce, 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 slide, slide, diamond, hold, stop, whoa, clap.